Hello and welcome to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. I'm Emily, the Home Bookkeeper, and in today's video, I'm going over the real difference between bookkeeping and accounting. If you've ever wondered, is bookkeeping the same as accounting? Is a bookkeeper basically an accountant? Can you call yourself an accountant if you do bookkeeping? You're not alone. These terms get used interchangeably all the time, but they are not the same thing. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact difference between bookkeeping and accounting, what each role actually does day to day, the education and certification differences, income differences, and how you can choose the right career path for you. So let's go ahead and clear this all up once and for all. Bookkeeping is the foundation of financial record keeping. A bookkeeper's primary job is to record financial transactions accurately and consistently. Bookkeepers use tools like QuickBooks Online, and they typically handle recording sales, recording expenses, managing invoices, entering bills, processing payroll, categorizing transactions, and reconciling bank and credit accounts. Think of bookkeeping as the process of organizing all of a business's financial data. Bookkeepers answer questions like, what did we earn? What did we spend? And what's in the bank? They ensure the numbers are clean and accurate. Without bookkeeping, accounting just cannot happen. Now, accounting goes deeper. Accountants take the financial data prepared by bookkeepers and they analyze, interpret, and report on it. Accounting involves preparing financial statements, adjusting journal entries, accrual accounting, tax planning, financial forecasting, budget analysis, and business advisory. While bookkeepers focus on recording transactions, accountants focus on understanding what the numbers actually mean. For example, a bookkeeper records $200,000 in revenue. An accountant asks, is it profitable? Are the margins healthy? Are we tax efficient? And should we restructure any expenses? Accounting turns data into strategy. So here's the easiest way to think about it. Bookkeeping equals data entry and organization. Accounting equals analysis and strategy. Bookkeepers build the financial foundation of a business, while accountants build decisions on top of that foundation. Now, bookkeeping typically does not require a degree. Many bookkeepers gain skills through online certifications, software training, and on-the-job experience. Some pursue certifications from organizations like the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers and the National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers. But formal education is often very optional. Now, accounting, on the other hand, usually requires a bachelor degree in accounting or finance, advanced coursework, and professional licensing. For example, in the U.S., many accountants pursue the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which is the CPA credential. Becoming a CPA requires 150 college credit hours, passing a rigorous multi-part exam, and work experience requirements. Internationally, professionals may pursue credentials like the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, the ACCA. Accounting is more regulated, and bookkeeping is much more accessible. Now let's go ahead and compare real daily work. A typical bookkeeper's day looks like downloaded bank transactions, categorizing expenses, reconciling accounts, sending invoices, following up on unpaid bills, and running monthly reports. The focus here is accuracy and organization. A typical accountant's day looks like reviewing financial statements, making adjusting journal entries, analyzing profit margins, preparing tax filings, meeting with business owners, and offering financial advice. The focus on an accountant's day today is compliance and strategy. Now, income varies by location and experience, but generally, bookkeepers at an entry level make anywhere between $18 and $25 an hour in a corporate setting. Now, experienced freelancers like myself make anywhere between $40 and $75 an hour. Accountants, like a staff accountant, can make anywhere between $50,000 and $70,000 annually. A CPA makes anywhere between $70 and $120 plus annually. And more senior roles make upwards of $120,000 plus. Accountants typically earn more because they require more education. They carry legal responsibility, and they provide higher level advisory services. But bookkeeping can be highly profitable as well, especially if you freelance. Now, you might be asking, can a bookkeeper become an accountant? And the answer is yes, but it usually requires additional education. Many accountants actually start out as bookkeepers because bookkeeping gives you real-world transaction experience. The financial system that you become familiar with, and practical understanding of day-to-day business operations. From there, you can pursue a degree, get licensed as a CPA, a CMA, or a CCA. Bookkeeping is often a stepping stone into the accounting industry. Now let's go ahead and clear up some myths. Myth 1, bookkeepers and accountants are the same. No, that's just not true. They do overlap, but the scope of work is oftentimes very different. Myth number 2 is that bookkeeping is lower level. That is also not true. Without accurate books, accountants just can't function. They can't do their job without us doing our job. And myth number 3 is you need to be a math genius. And that's also definitely not true. Both roles rely more on organization and logic than any advanced maths. Now, you might be wondering which path is right for you. Go ahead and choose the bookkeeping route if you want to start quickly, prefer structured, task-based work, want to freelance from home, and don't want to do years of schooling. Move up to accounting if you want higher earning ceilings, enjoy financial analysis, you want to get into a more leadership role, and are willing to pursue formal education. Both paths are stable, in-demand careers. It just depends on your goals. Now here's the bottom line. Bookkeeping records the numbers, and accounting interprets the numbers. Bookkeeping is transactional, and accounting is more analytical. Bookkeeping is very accessible, while accounting is more credential-driven. Both are very valuable and extremely necessary, and many professionals move between the two over time, like I have. If you're considering one of these paths, let me know in the comments. Are you leaning more towards becoming a bookkeeper or an accountant? If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.